Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In our last video, we have solved the question number 1 second part by the Cramer rule. Now we will solve the third part of question number 1 by the Cramer's rule. And the third part is 4x plus 2y is equals to 8 and 3x minus y is equals to minus 1 by Cramer's rule. So we can convert it in matrix form. So this will be equals to 4, 2, 3, minus 1. The variables are x and y, and it will be equals to 8 and minus 1. Let this is equals to ax is equals to b, and here a is equals to 4, 2, 3, minus 1. X is equals to small x and y, and b is equals to 8 and minus 1. So first of all, we will find the determinant of a, and the determinant of a will be equals to, put the value of a in the determinant. We get 4, 2, 3, minus 1. It will be equals to 4 into minus 1 minus 2 into 3, which is equals to minus 4 minus 6, and it will be equals to minus 10. So minus 10 cannot equal to 0, so the solution is possible. Now we have to find the value of x, which is equals to determinant of a of x over determinant of a, and the value of y, which is equals to determinant of a of y over determinant of a. So first we find the determinant of a of x. Now we will find the value of determinant of a of x, and the determinant of a of x will be equals to 8 minus 1, 4 and 3. Sorry, 8 and minus 1, 2 and minus 1, and it will be equals to 8 of minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1, and this will be equals to minus 8 plus 2, which is equals to minus 6. This is the value of determinant of a of x. Now we will find the value of determinant of a of y, and it will be equals to 4, 3, 8 and minus 1, and it will be equals to 4 into minus 1 minus 8 into 3. This will be equals to minus 4 minus 24, which is equals to minus 28. Now we will find the value of x and y. So put the values in x and y. We will get x is equals to a of x, determinant of a of x over determinant of a, and it will be equals to minus 6 over minus 10, minus cancel by minus, this is cancelled by 2, so we get 3 by 5. This is the value of x. Now we will find the value of y, and it will be equals to the determinant of a of y over the determinant of a, and it will be equals to minus 28 over minus 10. Minus cancel by minus, so 14 2s are 28 and 2 5s are 10, so the answer is 14 by 5. So y is equals to 14 by 5. This is the value of y and this is the value of x. So the solution set will be equals to the value of x 3 by 5 and the value of y is 14 by 5. This is the answer of the third part of the question number 1 by the Cramer's rule. Now we will solve the next part in our next video. Allah Hafiz.